Wizara ya Afya, we recognize and respect the importance, place of faith and spiritual nourishment in the lives of our citizens. We don't doubt that as a ministry we recognize the place, the critical role of faith and spiritual nourishment in the lives of our citizens. However, na huyo mtu alifanya hiyo crusade anisikize. However, na wale madaktari waliongea wanisikize. However, matters of health, mambo ya afya and life must remain firmly grounded in the ethics and science-based medicine. Wewe huwezi kuenda shule ya School of Medicine alafu unasimama kwa crusade na tumekupatia license as a medical practitioner, and any claims of miraculous healing, any claims of miraculous healing, and more so by licensed medical practitioners, must be supported by verifiable and scientifically proved. If you cannot do that, and you are a medical practitioner, and you go and speak in a crusade, and you talk about miraculous healing, we have directed the regulator, Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council, to do a thorough investigation on those medical practitioners. And we shall, if they cannot verify scientifically, we will be forced to cancel their license. And I am told 2 of them are from MTRH.